Yeah, it's Hustler Floyd. Y'all ready for this? Yeah. Just a youngin' tryna get it, niggas know I'm on the rise. People hatin' tryna say I ain't, you know they tellin' lies. I'm that rapper every record label out there wanna sign. Better toss me 5 mil up front or don't try, cause I know I got next. I'ma blow like J. Cole. I know I bring the heat, but yeah, my flow still stay cold. This record going platinum, man, right now this whole thing gold. I'm about to cop the crib with that brand new Range Rover, yeah, and that a Rari with the 90 all rate. I'll be in my city whipping in them bitches all day, with this track here bumping so they all know what's up. With them windows down, it's so they can see who it was. Doing boss shit, making boss moves, boss shit, making boss moves, doing boss shit, making boss moves. Just a youngin' tryna get it, doing what I gotta do, doing boss shit, making boss moves, boss shit, making boss moves, doing boss shit, making boss moves. Just a youngin' tryna get it, doing what I gotta do. I do what I gotta do for myself and the fan, but I put my fan first before myself like a man. That's just how my mom's raised me, with myself and no dad. Yeah, that's just how that shit went, and why I am who I am. Yeah, there's a reason for everything, I guess, and yes, it better me. It helped me build myself strong so I can kill my enemies. That's why I'm doing boss shit, and why you gon' remember me. That's why I'm doing everything I do, because it's meant to be. I'm destined for this rap shit, that shit ain't a joke. Every person out in high school ain't believe what I know, and what I know is I was gonna make this shit on my own. With or without him checking out, bitch, I'm the king of the throne. It's doing boss shit, making boss moves, making boss moves, doing boss shit, making boss moves. Best believe that I'm that nigga doing boss shit, making boss moves, boss shit, making boss moves, doing boss shit, making boss moves. It's a youngin' tryna get it, doing what I gotta do, doing boss shit, making boss moves, boss shit, making boss moves, doing boss shit, making boss moves. It's a youngin' tryna get it, doing what I gotta do. Yeah, Hustler Floyd. Y'all ain't ready for this, man. 2016, it's my year, baby. I'm taking over. Promise that. Yeah.